Today we got a video from Sergeant Pepper Spray, and the title of the video is Teen Caught Shoplifting at Target in Front of Mom.
On July 13th, 2025, officers in Lake County, Florida responded to a report of retail theft at a Target store.
Well, hello. Hello. You should be. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Tired.
Tired?
Since 2 in the morning.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. All right, so these are the items that she concealed in her purse. We watched her select everything and put everything into that purse. This is her ID.
No, this is not there. The purse is out there.
Yeah. So they've been really cooperative. I thought that she was a minor at first, hence why the family's in here. Otherwise, they would have stayed out. But yeah, they've been really, really cooperative.
She's 18.
Yep, just turned 18. Yep. I'll let you talk to her.
Oh, come here. Good family.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
She ever been in trouble before?
No, she almost got kicked out of our house by her stepdad for getting a speeding ticket. Like,
Okay.
she has been.
Do y'all live here in Florida now?
No,
Or?
we're visiting my parents. We're supposed to leave tonight. I'm meeting my mom for like an early dinner.
Alright. Mom, correct?
Yes.
Alright. Read what we call Miranda warnings. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So what
I
happened?
was just being really dumb. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
everything
go.
she asked for, but put it in the buggy. Like, we were just trying to get out of my parents' house for a little bit because it's 75 degrees. And they're like, it's freezing in here. Let's go to the store. Get it. Get what you want.
Okay. So you concealed them in your purse there?
Yes, ma'am. I
Alright.
can look at my purse. I have nothing.
I'm going to. I'm gonna search you too, so.
I have nothing else. I gave him everything.
Alright.
Damn, you 18 too? You're cooked.
I'm not just doing
What an embarrassment. Embarrassing your mom like that. Oh, perfect time to text.
Do you have anything on your person I need to know about?
No, ma'am. I gave him everything.
That's fine. I meant more along the lines of any weapons. Or,
Oh, no, ma'am. No.
Okay. Alright, I'll just have you stand right here for me. I'm just gonna put you there. Turn on. Let me give phone to mom for now, okay?
Okay.
Your phone.
Yes, ma'am. It's just that close.
You're fine. I'm just gonna have you fix this one. Alright, so you do have to turn around and put
Am I getting arrested?
I have to detain you at the moment, okay?
Cooked.
You have tiny wrists. I do like 324 like I have female detained. Alright. You're gonna have a seat here for me.
Am I getting arrested?
So here's the thing. You're not a resident of Florida. So I can't issue her a notice to appear because you live out of state. So she has to go to jail for it.
Can I drive here? I can
So-
drive down to go to court.
Unfortunately, no. There's
Anytime you don't live in Florida, you have to go to jail for the offense because our notice to appear is for, like, if you were a resident here, it'd be different. Then if you don't have any criminal history, we
You
could
go
just,
from here to Jacksonville, I couldn't give you one of those court.
yeah, you have to live
Can we use like my grandma's address or anything? I'll drive down.
If she has no priors, it's gonna just be a misdemeanor offense. I think it's a $500 bond. If you use a bond salesman, you just pay, I think the minimum's $100, so it'd be $100. So you could go literally right up there, she can post her bond and she can get right back out. But she is gonna have a court date, she's gonna have to come back for court, the whole deal. So, you know, if she was still a juvenile, it would have been honestly the same scenario because you don't
How long
live
does she
here,
stay
so.
if I don't come bail her out?
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Until she bonds
She bonds
out.
out or time served, 30
Yeah.
days, 45 days.
So,
Can't, we leave at 5:30, so I can't, just one of us two big brothers and the rest of the family. Just did something so freaking stupid.
I mean, if she has family here and they want to bond her out, pick her up, but
No, they're gonna just, they're like heavy church people.
Alright.
They're not even.
you're under 21 in the state of Florida, you also cannot be,
That's not mine. That's my mom's.
it's in your possession. So I'm just telling you
Yes, ma'am, I know,
that you
but-
can't have that in the state of Florida until you're 21.
Yes, ma'am, I
Okay,
know.
so it'll go to your mom, but you can be issued a citation for that. And that's a whole nother, I'm not going to, but just so you're aware, okay?
You have to go to jail. It is a whole
Man, she is starting off on the wrong foot. I'm telling you. She's starting off on the whole wrong foot. Just turned 18 and you stealing earrings? Like what? Did you see the list of things? Like $20, $25, $26, $8. Like you risking, you're jeopardizing your record. You have a clean record for some $8 earrings and $20 fake earrings at that. Like these stores is, you know, it's not like these are real diamonds and real silver. These is like, it's costume jewelry. You know what I'm saying? Like that don't make no sense to me. Don't cry now. Do not cry now. Yeah, mom should let her sit in there for 30 days. Get her right. Act right. Act right. Sit in there for 30 days. We don't live here. We got a flight to catch. We getting ready for dinner. We going home tonight. And now we hold up because of you? That's crazy, man. That's crazy.
process. I work in trauma. I watch these guys take people into me. It takes a long time. You have to.
I would say,
Yeah.
and I'm not just trying to be rude about it. It's just the simple fact you're not a resident here, so I have to take you. It's, you know,
We couldn't like use my grandma's address or anything to like save it.
you're not a resident. You're a resident of South Carolina, unfortunately.
So now I need to call grandma to be like, okay, well, we're not gonna meet you because your grandmother's in jail. For what? For a sunblock that you just put in that damn buggy?
Do you want purse to go to your mom?
Yes, thanks.
Put your glasses back in here so you don't get lost in this stuff.
Yeah, but you can.
I know I can't. I don't have that.
She can't have that. And I'll make sure that goes to you.
Can you please go on my phone and text us and tell me what's going to do?
I have other things for you, Dr. Sally.
You go ahead. 26. She's gonna be 10-15.
How long is her booking? and-
Our jail's pretty quick.
Yeah,
just
it's
depends on
drive
how
time
many people are
there, and yeah, me typing up the
It's
paperwork
the end
real
of
quick.
the, end of the shift, so
Could she like follow it?
I mean she can.
You can't. She's still gonna have to wait until
It's probably gonna be a couple hour process.
I'd say probably about 2 hours because it's gonna take 30 minutes to get there, and then paperwork and then whatever.
Take your picture, your fingerprints.
I'm gonna take this with me. They'll put it in her property. When she gets out, she'll get her ID back. Okay.
The password is
And grandma. We are supposed to be back in 10 minutes, and then I have to go to jail for hours. What do you think? I'm not gonna just let her sit there waiting?
That's a jail address.
Do you have any phone numbers you want her to have?
I know phone numbers, but
Okay, so you're good on that part. Okay. Will you send me
Well, that's
when
impressive.
you get it?
Yes.
With the time, I want to go ahead and
Yeah, you can send her a link. Send her a link.
Okay.
I'll do that pretty quick.
Yeah, no, I will. But if you can just
I'll be right back in there.
whose side is
that's not ours.
it's not yours? Okay.
Well, yeah.
Damn, got her together. Here's the walk of shame right here.
Well, let it be a lesson to learn from.
You wait until you 18 to learn a lesson like this. Ain't this so? In front of you, with your peoples too? It's one thing if you alone, but you with your
Go
mom.
way down to that next car. Okay.
So what all do you have to do?
Basically, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's in a totally different town from here. It's about 30 minutes away. I'll work on the paperwork. They'll take your picture, fingerprints. Once you're booked in, you'll have the bond set. Mom or someone, if they want to bail you out, can come bail you out. If they choose not to do that, then you're going to have to sit there until.
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Do you stand by real
Do
quick
you
so I
know?
fix my
'Cause
seatbelt?
I'm going to school to get elementary watcher. I don't like affect my career. I don't want to affect my career.
I mean, they'll probably ask you about it.
Apparently my seatbelt.
Felony.
What's the difference between the two?
Felony, you can't own guns, you can't vote, you can't do a lot of things.
What is going on with this?
You sir,
Is it because it wasn't a certain amount or something?
it's because you're not a resident in the state of Florida.
That's the only thing that I
Can you see if you can get that?
So whenever I get there, can I call people or do I have to
You
wait?
gotta wait till they book you in.
But then there's they have like payphones in the cell, so you
That's
can.
free and
But they're free in booking, so you can make a call.
Like
for
whenever
free.
I'm waiting to get booked?
no, it's like this.
Am I?
I'll get the arrow one back here for you. Okay.
It's okay. And whenever I get there, I'm gonna be changed out of my clothes too. And everything changed.
But
They'll change her into like
a jumpsuit
yeah, and
and
different
orange
shoes.
Crocs. And you get a Florida ID. Say Lake County Jail.
All right, I'll get the air going for you in just a
Already
second.
turned
Okay.
it on.
Oh, thank you.
The 18-year-old was charged with petty theft.
What the
of
heck
stolen
is she
property
smiling
valued
about?
Under $750. She pled not guilty to the misdemeanor charge and has a pretrial conference set for October 9th, 2025.
What is there to be smiling about? I don't get it. I do not get it. There's nothing to be smiling about. You can't make this stuff up, man. Like, hey, this was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I think the cops did a pretty good job. You know, I give them 4 out of 5. You know what I mean? She, didn't charge her with the pen that she had in her book, in her bag and everything. I mean, man, damn. Who waits until they 18 to do some stuff like this? This is really like little kid stuff. You know what I mean? Like, but whatever.